On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The speedometer's way off. Holy cow, it's like almost 10 off. So that's 50 right there. So it's like exactly 8 off. Well, no wonder this thing seems so much faster. So I guess my 0 to 60 time is not correct. Yeah, don't get me wrong, this is fast, but the DRZ is faster, so I have to try a different 0 to 60 time, and I'll have to go to 70. Get some of the last rides in. I gotta get gas. Room, motherfucker. Don't run out of gas, cheesy. So yeah, I ordered 2 of the stickers. I didn't do the mini truck one yet because I gotta get a newer picture of the mini truck. This thing is geared so low, man. I think I'll be fine putting the stock gearing back on it. I'm not sure if I told the story, but I did buy a rebuild for the old shock. But when I was on the message boards on Facebook, on a Facebook group, a guy offered me a used one, pretty cheap, like 120 bucks. So I bought that. And I do have a rebuild, so I should rebuild that shock too. Maybe I could put that on a DB36. Spring maybe or something before I even rebuild it. Motor rider in the house. Oh, your plastic is flopping. Oh, they're redoing the pumps. Small tank. Jeez. Some KTMs. That's the name.
Take your troubles down the drain.
Motor Rider 2018.
Oh my God, I think I'm having a
Rap attack.
Somebody get a doctor quick, man. She's having an attack.
Who remembers that one? hell is that thing? A sock. Last time I picked up a sock, they said someone probably and wiped their ass with it. Nice day. There was a bridge here at one point. At one time. Oh, dropped the phone. That wouldn't have been good. Your soda's coming out too. Your tea. Chilly in the shade for sure. There's a hardcore jogger right there. Club getaway. Put an LED bulb in. I should have done a video on it. Got a little fan on it. Put my custom decals on. I got a vinyl cutter. Had that for a while. I don't think I've ever done a video on that either. The reason the speedometer is off on this is because the speed sensor's on the front sprocket. Stinky.
Continues in a moment. And on the next Judge Judy.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.